How you doing?
Oh, can we do something else this weekend? Take a few pictures of her and print a couple for Eliza.
Sure.
Because this is her last week with their vacation.
You gonna have a hot dog? Can you go get me your book? Go get me a book and we'll read it. Will you get me Elmo and Ernie? Go on. Go get me a book.
Yeah.
No, not that one. Elmo and Ernie. Is that a doggy book?
Get it at your pharmacy. Keep it in your medicine cabinet.
Want a banana? Hot dog?
What's that? A hot dog? Is that tasty?
All the dry ingredients that you could possibly want in it, from the sugar to the flour, and then to
Is that a tofu hot dog?
Now, the box
You're so sophisticated.
Will you get me another book?
Normally it's a cup and a quarter.
Yeah, that is a book. Can you get me another book?
Quarter cup of water. I am adding a quarter cup of dark rum. This is going to give a
Oopsie.
If you do not want to use dark rum in your cake mix, you can.
Your pants are falling down. You pull up your pants?
A teaspoon of that will be fantastic.
Will you pull up your pants? Yeah, good job.
1/3
Awesome.
vegetable oil. And use a measuring cup because you have to be exact in your measurements when
Where's Maisie?
making. Now, 3 eggs.
You give Maisie a pet? Gentle, yeah.
I have to say, baking
You wanna give Maisie a
is my
kiss?
absolute specialty. My grandma did it. I can't wait to show you.
Mwah, yucky!
In her.
You want to give Maisie another kiss?
Don't miss.
I just need to whiz this around.